It's okay. I'm gonna go finish the laundry.
Okay.
You wanna come upstairs, Maylee, with me?
It's okay. She has so much fur.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Sasha!
So do you have to take a walk with them or no?
Yeah, I took them for a while already.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Oh, hey, yes, yes.
she likes baby. She
Oh.
likes you.
Hi.
Excited, huh? Oh, she's so friendly.
Oh my goodness. So in Yakima, you leave them just in the backyard, right? You don't have to walk with them, right?
Yeah, wow, work.
Oh, that's why. Oh my goodness.
Look at her paws, huge.
Oh my, she's going to be big, that means.
Yeah.
That means she's going to be like Melly. Oh, maybe bigger than Melly, maybe.
Yeah, she's gonna be bigger than Melly.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Everybody's good. Yeah.
everybody is a girl. So cute.
I